Have you ever smiled in front of your friends, but deep inside you feel completely drained? Like everything looks okay on the outside, but in reality, you're just trying to survive the day. So, in the Philippines, we often hear phrases like okay lang yan and magdasal ka na lang. While these words come from place of care, they sometimes ignore the reality that mental health struggles are real and serious. Today, I want to talk about something that many of us experience but rarely open up about mental health. Mental health issues in the Philippines are becoming more common, especially among students and young people. According to the World Health Organization, mental health conditions are one of the leading causes of disability worldwide. In the Philippines, the Department of Health reported that millions of Filipinos suffer from mental health concerns, yet only a small percentage receive proper treatment. One reason is stigma. People often judge, misunderstood, or told they're just being dramatic. Another issue is lack of access. Not everyone can afford therapy or counseling. Services remain limited. Because of this, many of people suffer quietly, feeling like they have faced their struggles alone. So, what we can do? So, what we can do is first, we need to start with something simple. Listening without judgment. Second, schools should strengthen their mental health programs by providing accessible counseling services. Third, we need to normalize conversation about mental health. And lastly, if you're struggling, it's okay to ask for help. Some people might say that mental health support is too expensive or not a priority, but ignoring mental health leads to bigger problems like poor academic performance and long-term emotional damage. Addressing it early is not just helpful, it's necessary. Now, imagine two different situations. First, a student who feels overwhelmed every day but has no one to talk to, slowly losing motivation and hope. Now, imagine a different scenario. A student who is supported, listened, and guided. Because of that, they regain confidence and continue pursuing their goals. That's the difference. When we ignore mental health, people suffer in silence. When we act, we change lives. So, starting today, take small, meaningful actions. Check on your friends, genuine concern, be mindful of your words. Support mental health, awareness in your community, and if you are struggling, remember you are not alone. Because of that, in the end of the day, saving someone's mental health could mean saving their life.